Altering a table. We've learned how to insert, update, and delete data in a table. What if we want to make changes to the table itself, such as adding a new column or renaming a column? We can do many of these commands using the alter table statement. So instead of deleting the table and recreating it again with your changes and then reinserting the data, you can just make the change to the table as it exists. One of the things you can do with an alter table statement is to add a new column. For example, let's say we wanted to add a date column to the customer table to specify when they joined. We would type in alter table customer. Then we have the keyword add, joined date, which is the name of the column, and then the data type. If we run this query, we'll get a message saying it was successful. Now we can select from the customer table to give us our table data. We have a new column called joined date here. All of the values by default are set to null. So if we want to update the data, we can just write an update statement. For example, this statement updates the record, Sarah Jones, and specifies the join date here. We can run that query, select from the table again, and the value is populated. You can update all records in the table if you like. We can remove the where clause. Then we just run this update statement, which has updated all data in the table here in this particular column. You can also rename a column in SQL Server. To do this, instead of running the alter table statement like you might do in other databases, you need to run a specific procedure called SP rename. Let's say we wanted to rename the joined date to the customer joined date column. We would type in the word exec, SP rename, then we add in several parameters. The first is the table and the column name. So that's the current name. We then specify the new column name, which for this example we'll just call cust joined date. And the third parameter is the type of update we're doing. In this case, it's a column. So now we can highlight this row, click execute, and it says the script is completed. Now we can select from our table and we can see that the column name has been renamed. So that's how you can use the alter table statement to make some changes, as well as the SP rename function to rename a column.